Prior to open-hole multi-zone fracturing, oil and gas companies were limited in maximizing their formation reserve production. When a horizontal open-hole wellbore was stimulated, the fracture usually had only one initiation point, and the entire length of the wellbore was not stimulated. The solution was open-hole multi-zone fracturing. In our current economic environment, oil and gas companies are looking to gain as much production from their reserve targets, reducing operating costs as much as possible. In response to these challenges, the individuals that were involved when launching open-hole multi-zone fracturing technology in Canada are looking to do it again. FracForce has created a more optimized open-hole fracturing system. It is less complex, offers more reliability, and is more cost-effective compared to competing systems. It gives oil and gas companies the ability to drastically increase their well production through efficient formation fracture treatment, while minimizing operational expenditures and downtime. Please contact us for more information on how we can make your wellbore completion fracture operations more successful.